Hello friends, in this video we are going to enable rating because see we have only reviews. Rating is not coming like how much rate you want to give to that product. So let's check how we can enable the rating section in Magento 2. So let's go to the section stores. We have rating, we have price, quality, and this. This is how we can add the rating like packaging. Okay, this is how we can do that. And let's check this product has rating enabled or disabled. See, the rating section is coming. Your rating for packaging. Let's check the another one why it's not visible. The ratings, packaging we have done. Please specify the rating title of a store. You will adjust the default value. Okay. Let's move to the previous one. Price. Why it's not showing price? Make a default value store and make it safe. Same as with quality. Store view. So means by default it is not active. You need to just go and click on the active button, and this is how we can enable the ratings. Okay, let's go to the test product and do the ratings. So your packaging, if I put packaging this and 5. Okay, and like summary, and this is summary. It will go to the pending in reviews. So let's check reviews. Marketing, pending reviews. We have two. Let's make it visibility. This is the rating that I am going to make it pending to approved. Save review. Now go to the test product. It will show one rating. One review. See, reviewing by testing. So this is how we can enable rating section in Magento 2. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.